The cleaning of the Rancilio Pro X is also very simple. You've got your rubber disc, put that inside, add some backflush powder, and we'd be recommending backflush without the powder on a weekly basis. If you can use the powder after every kilo of coffee, that'll make a big difference to the machine. To get into the clean function, again, hold the plus and the minus button to come into the menu. Onto F1, clearly the enter button to get it started, and then away we go. Now entering the next phase of the clean cycle, just press the enter button. Now for the final phase of the clean cycle, put the rubber disc back in, the CL3, and enter to start that phase again. So that cleaning function is now completed. We've done all that within 5 minutes. You can remove the drip tray, empty out that water, add your clean grate back on, and now we're ready for more brewing. Now let's have a look at how you can do sleep time on this machine. Hold the plus or minus down, bring up the T2, navigate through the menu till you get to F05, press enter. Now we want to move that from 30 minutes all the way up to 120 minutes, and then lock that in with the enter button. Now that'll go to sleep after 120 minutes of no use. We hope you enjoyed the video today and are excited to start your brewing journey with your new Rancilio Pro X. If you're looking for more information, check out the Rancilio website or our socials.